And to do some more pieces of the legs, pop that out, break that off, break those apart like that. Then just take this, same thing, cut up in here, turn it over, cut it again, till you cut all the way through. Then you just got two nice halves and a nice chunk of meat there. All in one piece, not all broke up, see? I got a nice big piece of meat there. Do the same thing here, just cut it up. Cut it up through here. All coming out in one piece. One nice big piece of meat. That chunk of meat. And you can even do these if you want. I don't normally mess with these, but break that off. Okay. Break that off. That pulls that right out of there. And then you do the same thing here. Cut through it. Turn it over. Cut through it. Take that piece out. Another piece of meat. Same thing here. These scissors really help. Now see, I cut too deep, so cut that meat in half.